Have a great day once again, everyone. So welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for having me here today. So today, guys, another activity that we will going to do, which is we will going to have a pronunciation of the vowel sound A. Again, we will going to have a pronunciation of the vowel sound A. So, without further ado, let's do it! Okay, let us start with the words with initial vowel sound of A. Let's start with aid, ace, aid, age, ale, alias, acorn, ale, aim, ape, ache, alien, able, amen. So let's proceed now to the words with a vowel or with a medial vowel sound of A. Let's proceed with face, rain, gate, tape, flame, pain, shade, braid, cake, nape, creep, gauge, weight, brave. Now let's proceed to words with a final vowel sound of A. Let's start with ballet, bouquet, gay, cafe, spray, chalet, fiancé, spray, crochet, sachet, nay, hey, risque, bray. Okay. Now for the drill on A sound, let's start with Abraham, maze, amiable, acquaintance, Chevrolet, maguey, aviation, chaos, label, palatial, geisha, base, steak, patriot, mayonnaise, rabies, stadium, vivacious, tourniquet, gourmet, Australia, heaven, crochet, brickage, chamber. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and goodbye.